Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Check the Xuv 3xo head unit firmware and make sure your iPhone has CarPlay enabled. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the vehicle USB-A/USB-C port or activate Bluetooth if you prefer wireless pairing. Once done, unlock the phone and accept prompts. The head unit will show the CarPlay icon. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off, and location services are allowed for maps. This first step gets the connection negotiation underway quickly and reliably. Next, you launch CarPlay from the Xuv 3xo display by tapping the CarPlay icon. The system will authenticate the phone and load the CarPlay home screen. Grant permissions for contacts, messages, and maps so apps function fully. Once loaded, arrange apps using the head unit settings if needed, and learn the primary controls. Touchscreen taps for navigation and music, steering wheel voice button for Siri, and physical volume for audio. If audio routes wrong, switch media output to CarPlay from the head unit source menu. Finally, you optimize the CarPlay experience by adjusting display brightness, enabling dark mode, and setting preferred navigation app. Make sure both iOS and the Xuv 3xo firmware stay updated for stability. If CarPlay won't connect, forget the vehicle in your phone CarPlay settings and delete the pairing on the head unit, then repair. As a key troubleshooting tip, if audio, Siri, or controls behave oddly, swap to a different certified cable or reboot both phone and head unit. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.